I'm having so much trouble with this printer right now. If only there were gods of the printer. Action. Hello. Who are you guys? We're the printer gods.
Who came to help you?
With their printer. Hip hip hooray.
First, you need to get your ID card, which you didn't grab before.
Then you need to take the little thumb tag and use it to sign in.
Sometimes it looks different. It's completely gray, but this one's black and gray. Then you scan this little red thing here.
Wow, I'm signed in.
Now you choose print release because that's the option you wanted.
Then you select.
All the jobs you want. You can print as two-sided or you can print as grayscale. Don't choose any of those options if you don't know what it means. Then you press print. Then you wait all the way here and wait for your
Papers to come out and grab the papers.
Then you have your print paper. Wow, you've done it. You've learned how to print release.
Amazing.